This is Coach Shafto again. We are looking at the best deal, part 3 of our series, in which we are reviewing for the test that we're going to be having on Friday. If we look through this, the best deal generally is going to have to do with finding unit rate. And when you're finding unit rate, you divide. But we can set this up the same way that we've been doing other things, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and read. It says Ariana is a babysitter, has 4 families asking her to babysit this Saturday. The chart below shows the amount that she was paid and how long she worked for each family last time that she babysat. What family gives her the best deal for her babysitting? So generally what we're going to do to find a unit rate, and I'll do one and then I'll just use the shortcut in the future. So Mr. Hickson pays $100, but in paying $100, that's working for 5 hours. And so as I set this up, we would be looking for 1 hour. Well, if I'm looking for 1 hour, I'm trying to figure out how much money you make in 1 hour. So to do this, you could do the whole cross multiply divide thing, but really as I'm looking at this, I see that I go from 5 to 1. And so on top, I'm going to also divide by 5 because 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 100 divided by 5 is going to give me 20. And so if I cross multiplied, I would end up 100 times 1. I would get 100. And then I would have that's equal to 5 times a number that I don't know, and I would divide by 5. This divides to 1. I would divide by 5 over here, and I would have my number is equal to $20. And so right here, this is $20 per hour. So moving forward, like, okay, that's $20 per hour. That's not ideal. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is we're going to go back and just divide. I'm not going to bother doing this cross multiply because we just saw that we take the dollars divided by the hours and we get our solution. So in this case, I have 90 divided by 4. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I've got 90 divided by 4, and that gives me 22.5. So Ms. Brackett pays 22.5. Dollars per hour. So then we'd go to Dr. Fuga, and he pays $110 for 6 hours. That's $110 divided by $110 divided by 6 hours, and that is wrong. I'll clear this. 10 divided by 6 is 18.3. So that's going to be $18.3 per hour. And then the last one is $125 for 9 hours. $125 divided by 9 hours. You get 125 divided by 9 is $13 per hour. That's horrible. That's $13 per hour. So clearly Miss Brackett pays the best price per hour for her babysitting. Let's go ahead and move on to the next section. And in the next section, we have a similar idea. Pardon the interruption. In the next section, we have a similar idea, same idea. We've got the money and then we have the bundles. We have to decide which one is the best deal. So in this case, I am inclined to go ahead and use blue. And so we've got $15 divided by 4. It's 15 divided by 4, which is going to be 3.75. So one bundle is 3.75. This is annoying. So this bundle was $3.75. The next bundle is $13 for 3, so that's 13 divided by 3, which is 4.33. So this is $4.33. And then the last bundle is $21 for 5. So that's 21 divided by 5. And that's 4.2. 4.2. So in each of these situations, set it up. And clearly at this point, our better one is the fire pile. It's going to be the best deal here because it's, sorry, not the best deal. That's the worst deal. The best deal is going to be Jerry's because Jerry does one bundle for $3.75. We want the cheaper options. Next thing we're going to do is rates. And with rates, again, we will have another video. Thanks so much.